Hey guys, it's Bro here. Today I'm playing GTA 5 and going to be animal hunting. I'm doing a 10 subscriber special what do you call it? Shout out. 2 people will win the shout out. You have to like, subscribe, turn on the notifications, and comment a lot on my videos, good things, not bad things, and yeah, you should be in the winning shout out. And tell your friends so they can be in the shout out as well. They can get a chance as well. But yeah, if we can get 10 subs, then we will do it. If I get over 10 subs, then and we get to 20, I'll do 3 people. 3 people. And that is good. 3 people. But for now, 10 subscribers too. Okay, let's get a fast. You know what? Let's get a T20 because that's faster. So yeah, I hope you like this video. We're going animal hunting. There'll be a part 2 to this, so I have to be quick so I can edit and all that stuff. Oh, there it is. Oh no, something's happening on my cars. They're all red for some reason. Okay, let's go. We need to go really fast. Alright. I love this car. Oh, I only hate it when it crashes into cars. Oh, I just drove into a gang attack. I shouldn't have done that. Oh wait, I've done this gang attack anyway. Okay, now I have to go over here. Oh, I'm about to drive into the ocean. Okay. Oh my. Rocks everywhere. Okay. I can't even drive straight with this car. That's how, like, drifty and all that it is. Oh, no. Do not go in the water. Whatever you do. Thank God. But oh, it's so bad. This car used to be so good. And yeah, I also play PS4, so you can I play lots of games on there as well. So just telling you guys, I'm nearly there. Oh, you know what? We're just going up the hill. This car's not made for hills, but it's going up the hill. It has to go up the hill. If it doesn't go up the hill... Oh, I just got $2,000 for good behaviour. Ain't gonna be no good behaviour soon. Oh, come on. Now it's gonna go sliding down the hill. Because this car is so bad. For once in GTA 5 in this car, why can't this car just go up the hill? It's going, but then it slides. As if it's, like, it looks built for, like, it's built for racing. This ain't built for no mountain climbing. It's doing a good job at mountain climbing, though. For a car like this. Oh, and then goes the bad part. I'm gonna die. Okay, let's just... No, I'm going down the hill. I don't like this. We need to go up the hill. Or we should go by the side. Let's drive sideways. So we can actually climb. Oh, yes, I'm climbing it. Let's go. Come on. Let's climb the whole thing. There actually might be an animal up here. Oh, I made a mistake. No. Why? Oh, this video was a fail. I'm never gonna get up that mountain. Now I'm sliding down the hill. Right, is there any way... It's useless me trying to climb back up the mountain. I'm just gonna try. Come on, you can do it. You can do it. Oh, no you can't. No you can't. This car is so bad. Oh. Oh, it's so bad. Oh, it's so bad. This car's not even good. Oh, I might as well just do a part 2. I'm trying the part 2. I'm gonna fail at this. Oh, yep, terribly. Oh. Why is there trees everywhere? No matter where I go, there's always a tree and I always crash into it. Oh, this is so slow. Can I just get back on the road? There we go. Back on the road. Oh, we need to go this way now. Oh, I've been going the wrong way the whole time. Oh, and then my car flips again. What's up with this car? It's so bad. It's actually bad. I recommend not using this car. Especially when you're trying to do something and you can't. I wonder if I'm even going to make it. Probably not. Okay. Oh, okay. I'm going alright. Better than I was before. Oh, this is the gate attack. Right, we're gonna just have to drive right through this. Now, this is what this car's made for. Alright. Now, let's go animal hunting. Alright, we made it to the destination, so we just need to go up here. Oh, I failed terribly at that. Oh, finally, for once, a tree is useful in this game. Oh, yeah, okay. Is it night time? Oh, it's only night time, okay. We have to be quick about this. We have to be quick about this. Well, guys, we failed at finding animals. That was the bad part. But, you know what? We might as well do this. I've got an idea. We're not gonna find a mountain lion up here. I can tell you that. It's night time. They don't come out at night. Oh, then we just keep sliding down the hill. That's a great thing, isn't it? Oh no, this car's horrible. This car's actually horrible. Right, let's go all the way to the top. I'm getting there. Oh, no I'm not. What is up with this? What is up with this car today? It's just, it's not good. Alright. No. Why? I just full on, like, drove over the wall. That's what I'm trying to say, wall. And, kind of failed and fell over. Oh, and now I failed again. Well. Oh, we can try, but we fail. Oh well. Going full speed. You know what, we might as well just go full speed off this. Well, We failed at finding animals today. Sorry guys, I'll do a part 2. We might find an animal. But yeah. Thanks for watching. Brado out.